3, 2, 1. This is the unboxing of the iSteady XE SE. This is a 3-axle smartphone gimbal. First gimbal I've ever purchased. So I don't have anything to talk about, but I can just show you what it's going to look like once you purchase it. You have a pamphlet and 2 other pamphlets here. This is the gimbal right here in the big plastic. It's in there pretty good. Don't want to break it. Okay. So this is the first time. You're going to see it for the first time, just like I'm seeing it. You can tell how well I unwrap gifts. Not very good. There we go. All right, so here's the gimbal. Now you're supposed to charge it before you, I've seen a lot of reviews, you're supposed to charge it before you lift it up and put it to use. So this is the charging port. Here's the charger. Here's the case it comes with. It's a little nifty little case. That's pretty cool. And then this is the stand that it comes with. That goes into the bottom right here. Okay. Nice little stand. A little trifold stand. It's pretty cool. Keep it nice set on itself. And then this is the charger. Again, I have unwrapping skills that will put you to shame. And then this is where you charge it right here. Plug it in. And then it plugs into a USB port. And you go ahead and charge it. It also has a nice little doohickey. But in the real world, we call this a remote. It's pretty cool. And I think this is like a joystick where you can move the camera. That's going to be cool. And I believe this is one of the ones where you have to download the app that goes with the gimbal. You have a record button. I don't know what I think that's a mode button. The M stands for mode. I think this up and down button is for I don't know. I just got it. I'm trying to make up what it's for. I don't know what it's for. All right. So once I get it open and going, I'll come back and give you guys maybe I'll give you like a little 1-week review because I'm going to use it probably this weekend. Not probably. I'm going to use it this weekend, most likely Saturday and Sunday. So I'll give you a review, what's going on. Okay. All right. Peace.